Hello, guys. Welcome to the MOONBOYS podcast, season 10, episode 29. What are we at now? I don't know. Theo, how are you doing? Bad Religion, how's everybody doing on this beautiful, hot Sunday afternoon or evening?
I am good. Thanks for asking. And yes, it's season 2, episode 6. So
There
welcome
we go.
everybody. Welcome, Bad Religion. How's it going today, Bad?
Hello, hello. Very good, very good. Nice and sunny outside. Another good day to be alive.
I
Yes,
hear
yes,
they
indeed.
I hear they
I,
nerfed Grok out in London there. What happened there?
It's not Grok. I was the other one.
Oh, okay. Gemini, ChatGPT.
No, Venice. We cannot use it.
Oh, okay. Venice is the
yeah,
Only
they're
with
BNB
some
token, right?
special help.
they're all getting wrecked. All the
Yeah,
AIs are finally showing their true face. It's like they came out all with a mask. It came out with a mask on, AGI, like general or GIA, whatever, general AI intelligence. It came in with that mask, and then and now it's
like,
taking off the mask, and we're
like the
getting
Scooby Doo meme. Like Scooby.
we are getting the chimpanzee behind the computer.
And you said you could generate thumbnails using like Quen AI or with Stable Diffusion even?
No, I can.
uh,
I can.
well, Stable
Yeah,
Diffusion is just I think the model name. That's like the or the company name.
yeah.
Okay, yeah, because like for me, thumbnails
They
lately,
all
like
use that.
ChatGPT is pretty good because it's actually maintaining the faces pretty good. Gemini's been pretty good for that for a little while, but I haven't really tried Claude with it. Claude is good for certain things, but I haven't really tried it for like reproducing faces.
Yeah, the issue sometimes
Yeah.
is when you want to use the real images.
Yeah, you
Then,
just I would say it's better to just make your own face and maybe give it as a second image and be like attach
mm.
this da da da. Maybe
Okay,
we can
let's
put it
let's all make
together
a
at
face
once.
for the thumbnail right now. Like 3, 2, 1.
Yeah,
Okay, and then we'll clip that afterwards, and that'll be the thumbnail for this episode.
I look like a
we need we
doofus.
need to wait for Matt.
Amazing.
He's coming. He's taking a shower
He's
today.
gonna come in like a
Oh,
Fabio.
that's
He's gonna be
right.
like
He's gonna
with the
come
fan,
like
with the
all blue.
fan. The hair has to be
Yeah.
going like in a different direction.
Yeah, we started a bit early today.
Let's see. Let's see. So yeah, let's get right into it. I wanted to last week. Didn't really have the time to go into the upgrades of some of our nice indicators. So,
Very good.
and again, nothing is financial advice. So, boom, disclaimer as always, guys. We're retarded. So, and we have our retarded indicators, which are the liquidation heat map. Now, like the nice thing is we did a little upgrade, so now it consolidates like positions that are really next to each other within the 5% range. And you can see like it did that over here and down here. So this is basically what is your right now why everything is going sideways, right? So because the market makers took their positions, they're selling when Bitcoin gets to 66K, they're buying when it gets to 59, 60K. And of course, now there's another market maker that came in, and he's now holding the support at 62K. So that's a big one as well. So that's why it's really ranging between these two prices. Now, once these things, one of them gets taken out, usually it's a bullish signal or a bearish signal, depending on which one holds. But because these guys came in, we're now like actually showing a long, heavy sentiment. So you could safely say that the Bitcoin liquidations heat map is bullish. Now I'm planning to upgrade this. This is all free, guys. We're not charging anything for this, and I'm planning to upgrade it to also
For now.
include in the future.
Yeah,
Well,
exactly.
this one is already free, but yeah, in the future maybe we'll have different indicators that we will charge for. But yeah, I'm planning to upgrade this to include Solana and Ethereum as well. So it's gonna have liquidations heat map for Solana and Ethereum, and also I did upgrade it to a better present on weekly time frames and 4-hour time frames. So if you want to look at those liquidations, you can as well. It does pick those up as well. So on different time frames, it's just a little bit sloppier. It's a little bit harder to, but daily seems to be good, the best one for me. But again, you guys could experiment with this, give us feedback. We could always make changes if you guys see something where it needs like a bug came up.
So what are we
As
seeing
yeah,
on the chart right now? Are we bullish or are we bearish?
yeah, so I just explained that. Right now it's long heavy, right? So that's bullish. There's more longs than shorts.
Okay.
So So currently, even though people think we're might be in bearish, we're in a bear. I mean, there's like some bear weekly indicators, but on a daily, we're kind of bullish in a lot of aspects, for now at least, until proven otherwise. On the weekly, you could yeah, we're still long heavy on the weekly as well. There's a lot of big support over here on 26K.
Yeah, it feels like
And
on-chain
overall,
summer.
yeah,
Solana
overall
summer.
it's super long heavy on the weekly. If you look at a weekly time frame, within Binance, there's, I mean, even picks up weekly longs from these levels, which is crazy. This is probably like COVID crash levels longs from Binance.
Welcome, Matt,
Yep.
to the stage.
So yeah, so we did update this, and yeah, Matt, I think that for now that was my thing. So Matt, go ahead. Stage is yours. You got that nice shower. So in Russian we say.
Sorry, I'm late, guys.
He's got the PulseChain shirt.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, got to represent, man.
Right.
If you have a look at the chart, we
Ethereum
may
as
be
well.
bottoming.
I'll take that off.
Show that
Okay,
chart.
so we got to bring up the PulseChain chart then for Matt.
Oh,
Have it?
No, I have it.
Take it away, Rom.
Or maybe I don't have it. Did I delete it?
PulseCoinlist.com.
Of course I have it.
Hell yeah.
Of course you have to remove the liquidation heatmap. It doesn't work for that. But yeah, we I mean, like, it's nice to see that it's making some bullish weekly SAR. In these cases, what I really personally like to look out for is it reclaiming some of these bigger moving averages, and then I would start like getting into crazy positions. But yeah, I mean, it's bullish for now. Getting to the weekly, it's a good bet. It could be a nice entry point here, especially.
Yeah, I'm excited. I mean, we on the whole ecosystem, really, across all the core coins and a lot of the crazy meme coins on the chain. Obviously, we're well away from all-time highs, and that's not where I'm measuring from. But just seeing this green candle is a sign, or the first sign at least, that the tides may be turning, and it's a long way up. And yeah.
Yeah, as
I'm
you
taking the
guys
ride.
can see here, like it's almost like every time it hits the 50, the market makers behind PulseChain end up selling and crashing the coin even further. So this is where whoever is selling here, really, I mean, let's hope it's not Richard or his team, but whoever is selling here, they need to stop. So it could be that this is just a prolonged exit scam as well, like every other coin. This is where, I mean, like, you have to be real with projects and how teams gain money. But this is a big support. So if we ever go above the 50 and actually hold it and not like start rejecting, that would be a really bullish sign for, I think, PulseChain. And it probably, especially with the volume being so low, I think like this thing could really just go astronomical if it breaks the 50.
If you go on the monthly, we've already bucked the sort of red, straight red candle trend.
Yeah.
And obviously, monthly's not everything, but it's a sign I've been looking for. Dominance has been sort of slowly grinding down. I don't know, man.
Yeah, no, so Pulse existed since June 23. It's still relatively a new project. It's only 3 years. And yeah, so we got to give it time. Like sometimes, you know, it really takes a long before like Zcash, for example, right? Like Zcash was a project that was dead for so long. I mean, I guess not really that, but definitely was older than. So let's say like Zcash, if it came out at the same time as PulseChain came out, the chart would have looked exactly the same. I mean, almost similar if you think about it. Like, let's say like Zcash came out like here, it just all. So even if you bought Pulse or Zcash, you would have been in shit, right? But eventually, you see what happened was on the weekly trend, Zcash flipped the 50 instead of using it as rejecting, and then it held it. Now, I kind of slept on this. A lot of people slept on this, but as it was holding it, and even like maybe it rejected here for a little bit, but then came back, held it. This is where it becomes really bullish. You had 2 points in time, and Zcash kind of tried breaking it. It did a little thing bullish here, but then it got rejected. But then it really bullish. So this is what I was trying to explain. The people who were selling Zcash before were taking profit every time it went above the 50 weekly. They kind of ran out. They stopped doing that, and that's why there was a bullish, crazy explosion. And exactly the same thing can happen with any token, including PulseChain, if selling here stops and is removed entirely, and the project keeps on.
Hell yeah.
And Matt, you've been DCing the whole way down, right? So now you probably have a pretty decent entry as it comes up.
Exactly. So basically, I initially got in September, like sort of pretty much 1st of 2024. So that was at that time the low, and we had a decent run. And I made the decision of I sort of like this area. Okay, I can see it going lower, but I want to stay in my position, hold lower. So I didn't buy anything above that. And I just pretty much used Ivan as a good indicator. Whenever he came out spitting on me, that was the day I bought. And I'm actually already on my entire position above water, pretty much. So
Nice.
take that as
Congrats.
you may.
Yeah.
Thank you. And that's pretty much mainly thanks to PDI and PWBTC at this point. But over the past couple weeks, we've had Hex have a major run. We've had, well, both of them. We've had PulseChain and PulseX have a decent go. So yeah, I think we're potentially waking up as still, I mean, there's a lot to prove still. All altcoins have a lot to prove. We've still got Ethereum needs to break out properly. We need a lot of things to turn around. Bitcoin needs to still go into a proper uptrend and hold it and prove to everyone that it's holding it. But I think the first initial subtle signs are here that we can sort of start getting a bit risk on and be comfortable for this cycle.
Like Gerhard's calling for a 35K bottom on Bitcoin, and some influencers are saying a bearish 2026, and we're not going to get bullish until 2027. Stuff like that.
I could see that. I mean, but the thing is, again, like Bitcoin is not correlated with the market. There's a big indicator for a recession that should be in, but with Trump, a lot of the data is like manipulated now. So a recession might not even be printed, for example, on if they could just keep pumping the GDP somehow. But yeah, there seems to be something going on with a lot of the tech stocks. They all went into bearish, and then they're kind of like retesting now. So looking at like SpaceX is going back to bullish, but then the team is about to exit, I think this week or something, or next week they're about to sell. So they're like pumping it for them, maybe. I don't know.
That's crazy.
So
Give me Robinhood.
You've got to keep in mind that crypto has actually held steady and if not been pumping during this.
So
this
Matt, that's what I said.
Yeah.
Crypto is not correlated to the stock
exactly.
market. No, whether you like it or not, it's different. So,
give me Robinhood. Give me Robinhood.
Hood, where's Hood? Yeah, so Hood is also went bearish, right? But Hood is not even like, it's more or less this tech stack, the tech stack that's getting hit.
Look at that green candle. That's my green candle right there.
This one?
Yeah.
You bought?
I'm down. I'm underwater. The green candle feels really good.
Yeah, and then you have like what was Iron was another one of these tech plays. Nvidia is the biggest one. So now Nvidia kind of looks like it might flip bullish, but yeah, this is a big one. Like this one kind of was like rallying the whole market. And if it flips bullish, it'll be another good, like, okay, we're still pumping, so that's good. And then they do the circle jerk. They pass the money to SanDisks or whatever, you know. So
what about MSTR?
Again, MSTR is out of the equation here. This is what's really pushing the market. Now, the market in itself has this interest rate. Now, I'm looking for next week to see how they're going to be selling these U.S. Treasury 10 years. If we break this resistance and we actually push higher, I think that's going to push a big squeeze on the market to sell overall. If we go lower, obviously that would be good for the market to keep pumping. This is what kind of like Trump wants and everything. But the natural forces of things on a 10-year treasury, they go by what's auctioned and what people are bidding. And if on Wednesday people are going to be not buying this and the price will drop lower and lower, that means the interest rates will be going higher. And if that's the case, we could see a lot of more pressure on the SPX. Like, why is SPX still going on to all-time highs? This would be the question. While the interest rates are still increasing, right? Which means inflation is increasing. So that means there's pressure on the Fed to increase rates as well.
Didn't US just recently print a load of bonds as well? They're
auctioning it this week. So if you look at
week, is it?
You just gotta type in Treasury auction dates, and then you'll get like this beautiful chart from Treasury, and then you can see that the next auction for 3-year notes is on Wednesday. On Tuesday. The 10-year is going to be auctioned on Wednesday, and the 30-year bonds are going to be auctioned off on August. So if they're going to have a tough time selling these, they're going to have to lower their price, obviously, because that's how you sell when nobody's buying. And that would push the interest rate higher. Now, it's going to be interesting. Let's see what happens with this. This is a macro situation that's been developing that has not been priced in yet. I think people are still kind of like in la la land with how what we discussed earlier, AI solving everything, but now it's like broke is showing its true face. Hey guys, I'm just a chimpanzee. I'm not like what's that AI Jarvis. I'm not Jarvis yet, you know.
Still a bit
Yeah, still a little bit unga dunga. Not Jarvis yet. Um, yeah, oil is still putting pressure. So there's a lot of this stuff that could be pushing on the global economy that might have an effect on the stock market. And then crypto, I don't know what's going to happen with crypto in terms of if we see a recession. I think crypto is just kind of like already in a bear market, like Matt said, and we might go a little bit lower, but I don't see much. I'm personally, again, just following the production costs and the liquidation heat map more than anything. And both production costs have increased last 2 weeks, which is nice. So it looks like miners are getting back into mining Bitcoin versus expecting it to crash, right? That's always a welcoming sign. And then yeah, and then the liquidation heat map also showed more bullishness. So unless these longs get taken out and we flip back to bearish, this looks like a good time to start DCAing, you know. And of course, the long term like Bitcoin entry would be like if we flip weekly SAR and start going above these moving exponential moving averages of mine, because they've been so far showing resistance. Every like bounce from this moving average to this was rejected. Bounce from this moving average to this was rejected. Bounce from here to trying to retest this moving average, so far has been rejecting. So that still shows bearish sentiment. But yeah, if we start breaking bullish, like I'm all in, guys. I wouldn't, even if the stock market is having a recession, I think Bitcoin might have a nice bull run, or a run of some form, even if it's retesting all-time high.
Oh yeah, I mean we are so small and we are a completely different asset class. So I mean, we correlate with things when it's to the downside, but then when the correlation breaks and it starts going up, we just tend to get beaten down anyway. But I mean, we hardened most of the people that are still around and sort of kept through this bull market, whether they plan to or not. If you stuck around this far, you're probably likely to benefit bigly for the next cycle. And just stay in the game and chin up. Things are looking good.
Pretty much, yeah.
On 25 basis points decrease in September.
Yeah, so that's like the chance of that happening is not.
You could do it 98%.
Yeah, so if that might happen, if like the SPX starts really correcting, like at the end of the day, all it is basically the actual whales have to come in. I did read an article, we could go into it. Apparently Warren Buffett ended up buying last quarter. I don't know what he bought. Some people said it was the just share buyback program, but we could look into that really quickly. And yeah, as long as like these whales that have all this crazy billions of dollars of cash, if they don't sell and to accumulate more cash and instead start buying, technically they could prevent this crash for another like half a year to a year even.
Nice.
We don't. It's very hard to predict macro, but in terms of Bitcoin, we are seeing bullish momentum, which is nice.
Have you guys ventured out of trading Bitcoin yet? Or you? I mean, I know Theo's into all the crazy DJ meme coins, but are you guys? Have you been trading ETH? Have you been?
So if you guys know, Matt, thank you for pointing us in this direction. So Uniswap just launched their trade without pools, which was, so I remember last couple weeks we were doing the Robinhood chain and we bought some GME alive, and then the whole thing just went, it was like a scam. Noxa went down, they lost their domain.
Should've got Cash Cat.
Yeah, well, it doesn't matter. Any one of those are still on Uniswap. You can still get them. But the whole thing where the launchpad that was created...
wasn't it a honeypot or something in the end?
No, it was not a honeypot. It was just like the front-end guys were doing their own thing. The back-end guys were doing their own thing. And then there was like who was handling the money situation. They made so much money. They kind of like... It was like a money conflict. From
Clemente sold right before Robinhood listed Cash Cat. And it pumped like 200% or something.
Yeah, so and then there was a lot of projects that came in. They tried to replace Noxa, who's going to be the next launchpad on Robinhood, and apparently it's Uniswap who took the initiative, which is pretty cool to see. And I don't know, have you guys tried this trade.pools by Uniswap yet? I don't know,
no, not yet.
Maybe?
No, I did my first Robinhood swap on Uniswap, but I don't know what trade.pools is.
So pools.trade, yep. So this is the official Uniswap, I believe. Yeah, it's in beta mode still. So this is built by Uniswap for the Robinhood chain. Of course, we're gonna connect. We're beautiful degens, aren't we, man?
And it's gone.
And your wallet tap.
It's okay. I only have 14 cents apparently on this chain anyway.
Just enough for gas.
Just enough. Yeah, but yeah, exactly. I remember we just went all in on GME anyway. So we're in here. So let's see if our
25
GME
cents
token
bullish.
is still live, and let's see if it pumped. Yep, we're still in here. Oof. Okay, I'm not sure where we bought. I have 14,000 of these. No, 14 million. Oh, nice. I'm rich. GME.
How much is it worth if you sell it now?
Let's see. Let's see. So if I want to sell, wait, what? I have 0.
You have it. Unavailable, you see.
It's gone.
It's gone.
It's all gone. Oh, what if I sell one? 0. What? Oh, I have to maybe activate it or what? What?
Damn, son. Is it wrong GME?
You got wrecked.
I got wrecked. Oh, maybe it is the wrong GME. Let's see.
Have a look what's in the
Ooh.
wallet. Just go on the wallet and see what's in there.
Oh,
See,
maybe
yeah,
it
'cause
was
there's
this
various
one.
shit.
Yeah. Maybe
That's
it was
the
this
same one. Here, let me find the contract address.
Oh shit! I'm so
Damn,
wrecked.
son. Look at your tokens. They're in your wallet.
GME.
I know where it is. Robinhood Chain. What the hell was it? Robinhood Chain Explorer. I forget. They use they don't use Etherscan. They use some other block scout. That's what they use. I just gotta type in my address. We're having a nice little DeFi lesson over here for Bad Religion again. But I think
Okay.
most of this is similar in Solana.
I got the CA.
Yeah, so Bad Religion, you have to walk us through one day Solana, so you know like
That's
how
the
I'm doing
wrong
this,
CA.
because- No, this is my CA, so
That's
this
your
is,
wallet
the
address.
tokens. Oh, let's see what we have here.
Clip it. Twitch, clip it.
Global dollar. Oh my god, I have a bunch of shit already. Apparently.
Dustin.
Dust.
Dust attack.
Oh, that's not my wallet. That's just tokens. Hold
Send
on.
him some Cardano.
Yeah, man. Send us some PulseChain.
Send some. Yeah, I mean, yeah. I
Watch him quiver in the corner.
Yeah, you can't send Cardano.
I mean, it's a VIX.ETH, so you could. It's not that.
Fair
you
enough.
don't even need. You don't even need this.
Yeah.
It's like, okay. Well, how do I look at my tokens? What the fuck?
Even Cardano had a nice pump. I think a couple of weeks ago in Ivan's chat, people were like, going, "Oh, sell your Cardano, sell your Cardano." Now who's laughing? But back then, like 20 cents.
Guys, am I cooked over here, or like it's impossible to look at your address?
Oh yeah, Cardano came up a little bit, eh?
When everyone tells you it's dead,
Here. Cardano. It's a pump
Yeah,
for
yeah.
ants.
it is a pump for ants, but that's how a pump starts, isn't it?
That's true.
Oh, there we go. There we go. Yeah, this is the address.
Okay, I'll bring it back to
Wow,
one.
it's one. My value is 10 cents. So I lost
Let's
10
go.
Jamie, you went all in and you have 10 cents. How much did you lose?
10x. I think I put like $1.
Oh, all in.
90% down.
All
Ah,
in
this one.
$1.
Okay, there we go. There we go. This is the one.
We're playing with real money here.
Guys,
That's
we
it.
might be having a bottom though. Like, I mean, Matt, what do you think? Well, this
I
is
don't know. It
daily
looks a bit
chart.
toppy
Hold
to
on.
me for a new
Let's
shit
look
coin.
at the let's look at the daily chart.
TA
Okay,
doesn't work so well on something that's been around for like 2 weeks.
we had a nice pump. We're back to inception, but I could sell the.
I
Yeah,
thought
there we go.
Robinhood Chain was supposed to be like RWA though, but this isn't tied to the price of the actual GameStop stock.
We don't even know if it's
This is like a
official or
meme
not.
coin called GME on Robinhood Chain. That's a bit
Exactly.
ridiculous, right?
Yeah,
And there's
Well, what
multiple vamp attacks.
What
that's
do
the
you
one.
think we're doing here? We were
Teaching,
the
man.
first. We were first on Noxa. It was a graduated project.
First on the scene.
And then Noxa ended up being some kind of scam, obviously, because we were first on the scene. And now Uniswap, this is the whole thing. This is the whole story behind it.
Yeah.
Uniswap took over, and I mean the contracts are still live on Uniswap, right? It's a pump fund clone.
The pools,
it's just
yeah.
like this project graduated. It's just right now worth.
It's got 17K of liquidity.
It's its minimum value, yeah. It's on its graduation
10K.
price basically.
Yeah.
We're on the bottom. This is locked. Like this is not gonna go lower.
Buy the dip.
I don't have money right now. I would have to. I kind of already bought everything, so I'm
But
holding. I'm
already
holding.
spent
Would
his
you
$1.
actually do a bit more research and see if there's another GME that's a bit more official, or
Well,
is
it's not about
we-
official or not. It's more about what graduates, right?
Are there any others that have graduated?
So right now we could look at new stuff. Yeah. So now we have pools.trade. So I was looking to build a pump fund graduation project, but these guys are taking the lead. Obviously, competing with Uniswap is a little bit hard. This looks really nice already.
Okay, there's two tokens trending on Robinhood Chain right now. There's
Yeah.
Boomer and Homo.
So we're over here. We could see
So look
what's
up those two.
what's about
But-
to.
Look up Boomer and look up Homo.
I mean, it's fine. You have it right here. We don't
Boomer.
we have the top right here. We could see pools.trade. That's a big token. So apparently they have their own token. which
But it's not
seems
top
pretty-
trending, man. We need
That's
to
not
see
Homo.
what's hot.
Yeah.
No
this is-
Homo.
hooker.fun. So if you want to buy a hooker,
Just type in homo at the top.
yeah.
Hooker.fun and we got Homo.
We got hooker.fun. We got
That's a good
we
domain,
got-
actually.
we
Makes
got
sense.
Frogy, not Doge, but
Froge.
Froge.
Coach.
Okay, so you got Swappy, Unicorn, Pegasus, Crypto Deer.
I think we should look at Homo
Homo
now.
dot
No
fun?
homo.
Homo.fun? Okay,
No, just homo. Just homo.
Just Homo.
No
Trade
homo.
Just Homo. They're both the same price around.
Can you say that nowadays?
Okay,
No
try the other
homo,
one. Try
looks
not this
dead.
one. Try the other one.
Oh shit. Sorry.
Trade Homo.
Yeah, like that.
Oh,
yeah.
what's this?
Oh, yeah.
Liquidity 5K?
Boom.
Oh, God. Okay, go to Boomer. Try Boomer.
Went to zero.
Okay, Theo, you lost it, or I don't know how you found these.
Homo's at
tokens, but
159K, so you got the wrong one. Try Boomer. What about Boomer?
There's the wrong one.
Maybe it's not from this launchpad.
Yeah, it's probably not from this launch, but if they're still all using Uniswap, unless if they didn't graduate, they're not on Uniswap yet. So, yeah.
Boomer.
Or, I don't know which one it is.
This top one.
This one. Still 4.8K. So it's like they.
Oh my God.
None
Okay,
of
let me
that.
just find the contract addresses for you.
Yeah,
Damn,
'cause
Homo.
this is where
That's
like
one big red candle.
Yeah, we have to look at the top over here. So you have absolute gold. Guys, remember, some of these are near graduation too. This is where you kind of like are playing the game, but there's not that many of them. This is brand new. This came out like 2 days ago, last week I think, Thursday. We are early degens right now in this Uniswap project. Now this kind of reminds me of I don't know, Matt, if you were here, but if you remember August 2019 when Uniswap came out.
Or DeFi summer. Yeah, that was
Yeah,
crazy.
yeah. And now we have Uniswap launching pools.trade. So
It does give me sort of DeFi summer vibes. The
are
whole
you
sort of
getting
thing
some
happening.
deja vu? Deja vu.
Yeah, a little bit, but I
little
just don't see how it's gonna be on Robinhood Chain and all these like big centralized chains. But I mean, hey, prove me wrong. Send it to fucking millions and
Well, that's why it's like a beta. They're first launching it on Robinhood, but I'm guessing they eventually would integrate it on Ethereum and everything, and then like PulseChain could clone it if they want to. They could have their own at that
yeah,
point.
we've already got a clone of Pump.Fun.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Well,
this
this
is
is a
pretty
little
nice.
bit better because it's a clone of Uniswap. So Uniswap is creating the contracts for the graduation.
Yeah.
So it's going to be more like
A bit more
Like,
official tokens as opposed to
not like official, but like the tech stack is going to flow together because it's the Uniswap team creating it, if you know what I mean. Not just like me and you using Claude to create the smart contracts. It's kind of like
Yeah.
the Uniswap guys, engineers, hopefully know a little bit better than us, but who knows? Maybe it's also
It's the
Chimpanzee.
Solana of Ethereum.
yeah. Yeah,
It's
so
the
it's
Solana
very
of-
new actually. So there's not much stuff here. We have trending. So Piggy Coin, One Life, it's
Big
worth
coin.
an attempt
all that looks good.
in the Midas touch.
In the meantime, pump.fun is pumping. So
Yeah, we could look at what's
Yeah,
up.
I called Pumped Off on today. Is there filters on this website? Like, can you filter by like minimum 10K liquidity, something like that?
If we're gonna check Pump.Fun, can we check their unlocks as well? Because they're normally well timed. The pumps with the unlocks.
I don't know if they have unlock. I thought their token was just like a airdrop. No?
Mm,
Yeah,
that's
what was
always
the-
the way.
maybe it's like a DAO unlock.
no, I think there are unlocks.
Hopefully they made this free. No, of course they didn't.
I mean, you
Yeah,
could
it
probably
says
check on
There was only one round. See, it's
Uh-huh.
all released. 33% of it was the airdrop, and then
We'll
you have,
see, but then you got vesting schedule there.
oh right here, these guys. But
There you go. But exactly. So the initial
Yeah,
handoff for the
yeah.
community was all unlocked, but not the insider allocations.
yeah.
They get to dump on your ass. So they basically like to hype it up. Whenever everyone sees a pump, everyone FOMOs in, and then they get an unlock and they send it down. That's normally
Man, I
the
can't
play.
believe they made this paid. I hate projects when they like give you this is the whole tech scheme nowadays. Give for free and then charge.
You could probably check on see what the fully diluted valuation is just on CoinMarketCap.
That's being scheduled. Probably have to just find it on their website maybe, or maybe these guys have it. Oh, okay. Okay, existing investors unlocked.
It says at the top there 60% vesting or something. No, top right.
Linear. It's just these two. Oh, and this one. Linear vest.
Okay, we're live on Pump.fun now.
But it's 32 billion,
First
50
time in
billion,
months.
and 150
First
billion.
time
So
in
it's
months.
not much. It's
Actually,
only like
I've got to
So,
buy some
yeah.
Moonboys token for the bull run.
Yeah, I can,
So most
gotta
of the
represent
pump fund, I mean, according to this, most of pump fund has been already unlocked. So the only thing that's unlocking still is just 25% of their tokens.
And
on
when's
this vesting
that?
schedule.
When's that?
Until
unlocking?
July 2029. So.
So
we have
yeah.
a long time, and it's unlocking very, very little. So it shouldn't influence price so much at this point. So whatever the
Oh
price
yeah.
of
So
pump
they're pretty
fund
much done. That's good.
you get. It's dumping. It's not they're not unlocking on you. It's just people are dumping.
No, so no, it already looks like they've had their unlocks.
Yeah. Yeah. Is it the same one? Oh, that's not the same one. Pump. I think it's pump fund. Oh, fucking A. Oh my god. This is not this one. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. See, they kind of already unlocked most of it.
Yeah.
It's done kind of here.
Yeah, well, I mean, it's curling back up, so that's a good sign.
It's like that's what I was saying. Like once you stop seeing this, where it goes like to some resistance level, and then the market makers sell. You know, like it goes back. Like you could see the levels, right, that they chose before. Like here was the support, now it's a resistance. Right.
I mean, bear market ends when you run out of sellers, so.
Basically, yeah, exactly.
yeah, Nick bought pump token today.
I bought as well.
I bought, yeah.
Yeah, but what's
And
so
I bought
special
MOONBOYS.
about a pump token? Do you guys get anything out of it, or just like because why are you not just
Speculation.
buying the tokens that are
You get
on
the
the
airdrop.
project?
When does the airdrop arrive?
No
Well,
clue.
there is no airdrop. We just checked. But it's just vesting left. But
Oh
you
my
could,
God.
why not like get into some of these like
Homo is there.
almost there? See, so it's a pump.
Homo.
So it was not on whatever.
Hold
chain.
or miss out. Nice.
Yeah,
Okay.
that's on.
Is that dev sold? Dev sold.
159K. What was the MC?
65K. Yeah. Yep. Disco cat. Oh, that looks cool. Oh wait, how do you? So these are already all graduated. So what's in process? New, I guess would be. Okay. There's so much shit. It's crazy.
It's just crazy out there.
Okay,
But yeah, needless to say, these tokens are just pretty much PvP, trade the chart, and you don't want to hold
Mayhem.
most of these things.
Well,
I
that's
doubt
different,
you're
'cause
gonna
you gotta
get.
hold it for long term in order to get a lot of these pumps. If you try to
Yeah,
trade
but
it
what's
like
long term for you?
24
That's the
hours, it's
thing.
not
I
gonna
mean,
work.
you can't tell people that they're gonna hold this for like 2 weeks when average hold time is
Yeah.
like what
There we
9
go. Now this
9
is,
hours.
This is, of the token. So you have with this buyback and burn, what they're doing. That's what could be pumping the token as well. So as people use pump.fun, it looks like they're buying back pump and burning it on a daily basis. Pulse has also buy and burn.
A PulseChain.
Yeah. So that's kind of like bullish too. I mean, it all works. It's like you never know.
Ye-
Are they doing it to scam you, or are they actually trying to pump it?
No, but you still need like people to use the network, and you still need traction. You need
Yeah. So this one kind of looks like they're trying to actually pump it.
Yeah, it's a mechanic that works when there's like transactions happening and
Oh,
stuff happening on
guys,
chain. But
Someone
if
just
not,
put $500 into the MOONBOYS token.
hell yeah,
Yeah, like people are buying it after me or something.
they're gonna dump on my ass whenever I buy it. Hell yeah.
You gotta have
I'm still
conviction.
holding.
Yeah, they're still buying. We're up
And
$600 now.
Wait.
Hell yeah.
There we
I gotta
go.
stream on Pump Fun more often.
What? Yeah, that's a.
Wow.
Yeah, go on like the 1 minute chart or something like that. You can see there's like several buys here.
1 minute. 1 minute. Oh my god. I don't know.
Wow.
Let's
Yeah.
go.
It was so dead, and now it's like we're in. We're lit.
We're back.
We are
Thanks for
back.
the
So
energy.
back.
We're so
back.
back. We're so
Time
we're
to-
so
time to
over.
sell on you guys. Am I in the money yet? No, but yeah. See, bonding curve 20%. That's pretty cool. So imagine we graduate.
It was
that's where we'll be
6%
at.
like 10 minutes ago.
Yeah, so we could definitely be back, guys.
Oh, someone just bought more.
Let's go. Yo,
it's going crazy.
Pump it up.
Pump it up.
Pump it up. You got to pump it up. Pump it up.
We need to get
Yeah,
Ivan
but-
to do a MOONBOYS will be
Oh,
pumped.
shit.
Or guys, yo, if we
Oh,
graduate,
a KOL just bought our token, dude. Jay
if
Spizzle.
we
Hell
Shout
yeah.
out Jay Spizzle.
if we graduate, I will give everybody a personal hug. I will fly out and I'll give Matt a hug. Theo first probably because he's in Canada, and then I'll have to venture to the other side.
Whoa, it's up $2,000. Oh man, he's front running
Yo,
us.
guys,
This is crazy.
we're gonna graduate Lamborghini soon.
Let me buy. Like,
This is crazy.
50%. Let's go.
2.5
See?
thousand. Yeah,
You see, you don't buy Pump Fun, you buy MOONBOYS on Pump Fun.
he's discovered us. This guy, Jay Spizzle. Shout out Jay Spizzle. Thank you so much for
Shout
supporting
out,
the
yeah,
token.
that's what's up.
Hell yeah. Shout out Jay Spizzle.
need to invite
What's up?
him next Sunday.
Yeah, you need to get him in the Discord.
Bull market energy is here. You know, we have, that's right. Shill CA, let's go.
That's crazy.
Yeah, so that's wonderful. I mean, and yep, so loving the energy on Pump Fund. That's why another big reason why I think Charlie Bull is gonna have a good time here when we do launch. But let's see. So there was a bull token I remember, Theo. Let's see if it's still pumping.
Yeah, let's pull that up.
Remember that bull? I don't even. Oh, it's
So
not
I'll just
even here
type
anymore.
bull into Axiom. It's not there.
I guess they took it down already. That's
No,
good
it's
news.
probably
We could
still here
reuse it.
somewhere.
Sick. So we're back. Wait, hopefully nobody steals it from us. Whoever's watching.
Is there a char? No.
Well, Char is the one that's gonna be on Ethereum anyway. I want to have like the bull on Solana. I know Bad Religion likes that.
Here, I'll find
Also,
the.
like that's right. He's like yes.
Let's go.
Hey, I mean, look, it's Ethereum's phone. They
Oh.
create so, like, I remember at the last hackathon we were building the XMR Ethereum bridge. We were so trying hard, and then like the judges were just like, no, we want L2, and that was it. And then we were like, okay, we're moving on to building.
Okay, this is the new bull token ROM. It's called the Bull, and it's got no profile picture. It's on Robinhood Chain.
Oh, okay, but it's okay. So, but we're free here to use bull. Sweet. Okay, that's cool.
Total value locked $120,000.
Sick. Guys, we're at 47% bonding curve. That's so cool. I think that's the highest we've ever been, maybe, or
No.
been?
I think we got to 99% before.
99. Wow, that was like when we first launched. I think. Yeah.
This guy's holding though. I gotta just dump like $5,000 into the chart right now and just nerf him.
Run.
I've done that before. I've just like thrown $5,000 into MOONBOYS and taken it out, and yeah, I don't know. I've had fun with it.
Our biggest position. How do you like? Can I filter this? Total supply. DTG. That's the guy.
Hell yeah.
DTG, my dude. I'm gonna follow you. Wait, how do I have to sign in?
That guy? Oh no,
What
I can
a
show you.
chat.
Look it over here. Okay, so we can actually see the
Absolute
KOL
legend.
that bought. It's Jay Spizzle.
And Jay Spizzle, another Chad.
Yeah, this is the guy, I think. Okay, so I just buy more.
Okay, just gotta mute it so it doesn't.
Okay, I bought. Oh,
Send
and
it.
someone copied me. Okay, now we're over $3,000 up in. We're up 2x in one day. Okay, now
Just
we're up
keep
3.4K.
buying $10, $10,
Keep
Keep
buying?
buying, Theo.
because someone is gonna copy you, right?
I guess so.
Oh,
Yeah, I used to have copy traders.
I didn't mean
yeah.
to keep buying. You can stop buying, man.
We gotta pay for the boost though. We gotta go to like Dex
The boost
Uh,
mode.
with whatever it's called, DexScreener, and we gotta buy the boost.
Oh, you're already investing.
This is how you do it, boys.
Let's learn.
Okay, where's the boosts? Boost?
Down at the bottom.
Have you guys done your Cloudflare domain? Not domain, personal name.
Oh,
don't think so.
Like podcast, MOONBOYS podcast,
Dot.
MOONBOYS.podcast or something,
Yeah, no, I mean, even the personal.
or like MOONBOYS.pod, like something like that. They have.
Cloudflare wallets, store stable coins, purchase services, and receive funds across the web, they say.
No, I have not tried that one. Yeah, Cloudflare has been doing some cool stuff. I heard they also were doing the anti-quantum, which is pretty cool.
Yeah, there's many people working on quantum. The people that Freedom Factory just released the new supposedly quantum-proof wallet, but I haven't really looked into it.
What is this Bitway? Seems to be getting traction. Is this the one that's making that AI? Oh, Bitway. Sounds familiar. Atom. Oh,
By the way-
sorry, Rune. But Atom. Wow. What's happening with that? Coke is not here. Let's shit on his life. Atom versus Rune.
The way you get Coke to come on the stream is you have to
Oof.
say Rune is the same as Adam.
Atom versus Rune.
He'll
Okay.
bust through the wall. Actually,
Oh man, Coke. It looks like Adam is gaining traction. Rune had a run though. Rune had a run, but now Adam is saying, "Sorry, Chad, we are the captain here." Okay. That was interesting. Fun fact: Adam's coming back from the graveyard as well.
Dominant.
Any dominance?
Yeah.
Dominance.
Because I mean that's like the main thing. Ethereum outperforming
Yeah,
Bitcoin, and then if dominance starts to plummet, then it doesn't matter. You can basically previous
in this-
cycles you could
this
pretty
shop
much have
right
thrown a dart at anything, and everything was just going up 200%, 300%, 400% on a daily basis. It's just crazy.
Yeah,
But I
it
mean,
seems
whether
like
we see
here-
that or not,
This is like the alt season right here. Like this is where you just like close your eyes, throw
Just
anything at the
throw it
wall, and
up.
it'll probably make money. And here it's kind of like,
that was crazy times, man.
yeah, do not hold alts. Try not to hold alts, and still we're kind of still here. It took us a long time to get here, and now we just went sideways. So let's see how long this lasts. But eventually, you know, the degen apes come back out of the basement. And nice. Good times.
Guys, this is a lot of fun, but I need to leave today. Sorry for
Okay.
that.
Thanks so much for
Yeah,
Let's
that.
see if we
worries,
can
no worries.
graduate. Let's
I think
see.
we're there. We're up to 51 holders. That's pretty good
Wow.
record
Sick.
for us. Yeah.
Let me buy a little
Oh,
bit.
yeah.
Yeah, I mean,
I'm gonna buy
I
before I leave.
You got
See ya.
the
definitely
CA?
get in.
Okay, good night.
I was holding for a while, and Bad Religion, thank you for coming on.
Thanks for coming,
I
man.
also have like 12 minutes, so if you guys want to do like a news or I don't know, like Q&A.
Let's do the news.
If
I got the
anybody
news.
has like a Q&A.
Hit it with the
Breaking out
news.
the news. Okay, get the news music. There we go. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Crypto is up on the day with Bitcoin at $65,000, Ethereum at $1,900, and Solana at 77. Top stories today. Fed is prepared to raise rates next month if inflation doesn't slow. Bitcoin breaks 65K. Uniswap launches Pools launchpad on Robinhood Chain, which we were just talking about. New details are released about OpenAI's physical device. Robinhood lists the Cash Cat meme coin. U.S. appeals court upholds SBF's conviction. The Bitcoin Red team has now uncovered over 1,000 high and critical bugs in Bitcoin wallets and software. Silver surges, gaining over 12% on the week. Senate delays Clarity Act vote until September. Bearish. State of Wyoming purchases shares of Hyperliquid DAT PURR. U.S. cuts out Saudi oil imports for the first time in 40 years. Xcopy Peace sells for $525K. MetaMask launches Agent Wallet. I'd like to try that. 23% of Bitcoin miners operate at a daily loss. Sui co-founder and CTO leaves for Anthropic. Take-Two tokenized equity of GTA publisher is now live on Solana. Meta claims one of their AI models escaped and hacked a third-party company, and data center spending jumps to $68 billion annually, a new all-time high. That's it for your crypto weather report. Back to you in the studio.
Nice.
Yeah.
That was fire.
Yeah, so what should we talk about here?
We
Oh,
get
I mean-
Theo in a suit for that next time.
Yeah, we should. I'd do an AI suit, yeah. I've been wearing suits to work lately. It's been fun.
That's true.
I'm
that's
curious
true.
about the Bitcoin Red team covered 1,000 high and critical bugs.
Yeah,
Is
they've
Bitcoin
been
gonna break?
they've been trying to get Claude to find other bugs after what happened with what was the other one?
Yeah, so I also
recently.
since we're like here on Pump Fun and we're catching some traction, I did want to see some of the Q&A that was there we could address. Well, we're getting some new fans, right? So, we got some. This is bullshit. Let it rip. Thank you. This bonds. Let's fucking go. Let's do it, guys. Probably
go.
best to pay DexScreener first. You can't get a discount getting boost if you get both at the same time.
Oh,
so,
yeah.
Didn't Theo? Maybe you could get on that. Send it, right? Let's go, guys. And can you guys post the contract address on X now? White Satan nigga? I don't know what you're talking about.
I guess so. We get the contract address out on the page. Is it on the?
Oh,
X
okay. Maybe
page?
we should do that. Yeah, maybe I see what you're saying. Theo, like maybe put like you know how we have over here on top Bogdanov. Maybe we should put like the Pump Fund token address.
Do a buyback and burn, he says too. Yeah, I mean, I've already done a buyback and burn. We can definitely post the CA and boost the token though.
Or we could keep it on the down low for the moment.
Yeah.
That's true.
Try and gain a bit more traction.
Do a
Everyone's-
buyback.
This is a long term thing, a long game, not a
Yep.
9 hour long game, a
Yeah,
month long game. We've been at it for years.
That is true, yeah.
So Theo, I don't know if you tried using one of these AIs to build like a little program so that every time we go live on StreamYard, you could just click the button or like on the app and it right away Pump Fund live. Maybe there is a way we could try working on that to make it easier, but Yeah, Pump Fund. Good thing we didn't cancel this project because it's
Yeah,
actually
I mean, you can never really get rid
I
of
was
it,
really
but
bullish.
yeah, the token is working on Axiom, which is
Yep,
nice.
yep.
It just wasn't working on BullX, whereas like BullX
So
is
so
gone
maybe
defunct
maybe
anyway.
now
So
it's oh, okay,
yeah, we'll bring it
Bullets
back
is
now.
done.
Yeah,
So
I'm
we're
down.
bringing it back, and
We're running it back.
yeah, every week. So just
Run it back turbo.
yeah,
That's
guys
it.
who's right now who's watching us on Pump Fund, we're here every Sunday. So
That's right.
this is we've been doing this since last September, and we're not stopping.
Follow us on X, and also DM us for the Discord link. Have we still got it on private, on invite only?
Yeah,
Yeah.
yep.
On X? Well, I don't think so. I think you
And
can.
we give
the
a lot
Discord.
of alpha. Now we also have the podcast MOONBOYS podcast website. Now remember, Theo,
Yeah,
we
this
were
is what I was
gonna
gonna go
have
to.
like
Moonboyspod.com.
we also were gonna basically have like maybe a on your graphics card a continuous stream with like a kind of like a song playing, chill song playing, and an animation of a Moonboys. I tried doing that. I couldn't really be able to generate a good GIF on Gemini. I don't know if
I can
maybe
do
you
it.
have a way to do this,
Yeah,
but
I
I
can do
think it's
something.
like
Yeah.
you basically it would be like kind of like one of those like chill and listen songs, kind of how
Yeah,
like
I can do
Ivan
that.
had the CTO. Maybe I'll just do like a whole hour recording of myself, and we'll just have like music going back, like the CTO chill that Ivan did. I don't know, something like that, but basically just like on loop. And,
Yeah, I'll fire it
hopefully
up after the show. I'll have the 24-hour Twitch going.
Yeah, that'd be cool. That'd be cool,
Yeah,
and that
that's
might
fine.
be connected to Pump Fun. This way, the stream is always going, and then we'll just have like on the thing be like coming back live, with a countdown or something every week. Just like
yeah, okay.
when we end the show, we do the countdown till next week.
Yeah,
All it
yeah.
is just a countdown.
Let's do it.
So at least this way, Pump Fun is gonna be always live.
Yeah, it's good to keep it at least sort of
Oh,
active and
yes.
in the loop.
Sorry guys,
Not-
I'm kind of
not
like
forget about it.
I don't know. I went into super screen mode, but yeah, this is our website also. So we have all these 4 indicators, guys, that you could use for trading any altcoin or stock even, as well as Bitcoin in particular. So these are all free.
Yeah, we got some good feedback from T-Bone from. He likes the indicators. He's been using those.
Hell yeah.
Sick. Nice. So you guys want to talk? I have like 5 minutes we have to run, but yeah. Any other
Final
questions?
thoughts.
Let's go. You guys could shoot at it. We still have some time.
We gotta pay for the boost, I think. Can you pay DexScreener before boost to get it off Pump Fun? It will
And
bond
it will
instantly.
bond instantly. Wow.
Pay
I'm gonna give it a try.
DexScreener. Okay, let me try.
What's that, like 5K or something like that? 10K
Yeah.
to
No,
bond.
it's like $100, I think.
Yeah, because if we have if the project
I need the chat to
graduates,
walk
I
me
think
through
it's
how to do
pretty
it.
cool.
Okay. So I get the CA, and I go to search, and I got the token. Okay, so then they say pay DexScreener before the boost. No, it's 300, and you can get half off boost if you do both at the same time. Pay Dex first, it'll bond. You should do it now. Let's bring momentum. Okay.
That's true. Yeah, maybe while I'm driving to work, you guys can keep the stream going and get this done. That would be awesome. Well, as I arrive to work, I'll join back in.
Pay Pump Fun first. Okay, well, we'll explore this. I'm not opposed to it, though. Yeah, let's do it.
Yeah, we can do it in the after show if you want.
Yeah, we'll do it on
I'll write
Patreon.
it down. I'll write it down as well here. So I mean, Pump Fun, you guys could keep streaming even show, but that sounds
Apparently
like
we have a lot
cool
of
show.
eyes right now. That's good. Well, appreciate you guys all buying the token and watching. I feel like, we've ran back this entire red candle, and it's really nice to see some community joining in. We're here every Sunday. We've been doing this show for over a year. We're on season 2. What did we say? Episode 5 now. So yeah, we'll be here episode 6, season 2. So yeah, we're here every week. We'll be here every week. It's Matt Smeed at the top, Rom Reactor, myself, Theo. We had Bad Religion earlier. We have other guests like Coke and who else?
Other friends that will turn up every now and then.
Yeah,
Who else do we have?
Phil is here sometimes, which is really awesome.
Every
feel
so
like I'm
often there
missing
might
other
be the
people.
odd surprise,
Let me check my own website.
depending on how generous other
moonboyspod.com.
people are.
Is that it? Rom, Coke, Matt, Theo. Oh, and Axel. How could I forget Axel? What a
Yeah,
legend.
he's been gone, right? I don't know what happened. Hopefully everything's okay with Axel, but
Yeah, he's
Yeah,
busy
definitely a legend-
selling real
legend.
estate.
On there at the bottom as well. I hadn't seen the website.
guests
That's,
as
that's
well.
pretty cool.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, it's a
man,
good website.
70
We got
Yeah,
the NFT
70%
collection sold out.
guys. We're at 70% bonding. That is sick.
Oh, he says you have momentum. Don't stop streaming yet. Okay, cool. Yeah, I'll just keep streaming all day, and yeah, we'll figure out how to pay DexScreener and boost it, and let's just keep going all day.
Yeah,
That
well,
is
at
totally
least, well,
fine.
at least see, yeah, see, if you have a mountain, don't stop. That's true. He's right. Pops is right. You know, people are watching us. People are at home. They want some alpha. I wish I had more time. I mean, I could cancel my job and keep going. This is like awesome.
That's fine. I'll hold it
Tell
down.
the boss to stick it. The bull market's coming.
The bull market is coming back. Fuck you, slave work. And then like everybody remembers they have to eat dinner or whatever.
We're not
and
at
then
all-time high yet, though. Our all-time high was way up here at like 23K.
Yeah, so that's
But
where I'm
yeah.
like, that's where I'm like, kind of.
We're above 10K
wondering
now,
how
though,
that
which is really
works.
nice. We ran back this entire red candle.
You know, we got the God Candle. You see, Theo, you gotta make the right titles.
Top blasting it. What's this gem? Send it, boys, and call it. Bond it today. He's paying Dex and streaming all day. Top blasting right now. Viewers increasing. Okay, these guys are funny. Okay, so guys, chat, please tell me, how do I pay DexScreener before I boost it? I see the boost button. How do we pay DexScreener before we boost it?
I think you have to like
have to sign in?
The DexScreener, you do the smart contract on DexScreener, like you promote it or something, and then you boost it on Pump Fund at the same time. That's what he's saying.
He says, talk about markets, let's discuss coins. We just did that. DexScreener marketplace. Okay, cool. Let's try
Bridge
that.
to PulseChain, Habibi.
Wait, Matt, you still have to show us how you can bridge
Marketplace.
back, or otherwise it's a trap.
No,
Bridge
dude, you just go
PulseChain,
to
come on.
LibertySwap.finance. It's not
Okay,
hard.
okay, cool.
Bridge dot. This got to be it, right?
No, you go to LibertySwap.finance.
LibertySwap.finance.
And there's a lot of copycats on Google, so don't go to wrong links. Best go to X off there, like proper
Oh, I love
X
this
page,
website.
copy the
This
link.
is so nice.
And basically, these are all the liquidity pairs that they have open, so you could bridge in and out of PulseChain as long as you're using one of these pairs. And I think with USDC, for example, it's like as many pairs as possible. So you can go from USDC on Solana straight to PulseChain, back to base, whatever. You can do it all from here. So it's like a cross-chain DEX, and yeah, it works really well.
Bond incoming. Let's go. So we have so it says wake up Neo. It's saying go to DexScreener. So go to DexScreener. You think he's trying to
DexScreener marketplace.
I think he's trying to help you out, yeah.
Yeah. I got to sign in. Okay, I'll do this off screen.
Pump it up. Don't you
Signing
know? Pump it up. You got to pump it up. Doop 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 doop.
All right, so I'm signed in. DexScreener marketplace. Enhanced token info, advertising, token advertising, trending bar advertising. Okay, so I think we would go to token advertising. Yo, guys, go to DexScreener. I'd not jeet this now. Paste the CA bond incoming.
Yes, do put your
You
info.
should pay Dex. Yes, do put your
Yeah.
info in off screen so nothing leaked. Yeah.
Okay, we're making their enhanced token info.
Enhanced
Yeah, that's
token
the one.
info. Okay. Order
We're learning
now,
in real time from the community.
$300.
See the power of community, man.
Quickly
yeah.
update your DexScreener token page with accurate and up-to-date info and socials. It does
Nice,
seem like a
nice.
good move. 50 viewers and growing. Okay.
It's like, what if these guys are like insiders on DexScreener, and they're just like, yes, we got a sale, guys. Dump.
Yeah, they all work for DexScreener.
We're about to get
Oh,
mobbed.
Solana token address. Okay.
Like a 99 bonding curve.
Okay, and we will go to X and we'll
Let's
just
go.
paste the CA, just for fun. We're just gonna do it.
Let's go.
Boys, token is mooning.
This coin is old as fuck. It will go crazy after bond. Let's go. I mean,
Let's
I'm
go.
all for it.
Boosted. All right, there you go. Everybody's happy. We posted it. Okay, cool. Now we go back to enhanced token info,
People are liking our logo.
token address. He's paying the Dex on live stream. Okay. No, it's okay. Enhanced 50 viewers.
Well,
growing,
it's off. It's live
100 viewers going
stream.
up.
but,
Power of Chads and community. 92 holders now. LOL. This is going nuts.
Send it.
Easy 500k. This coin is old as fuck. It will go crazy after bond. I saw you on X, but never here on Pump.
Yep.
Trust one of them ones. Okay, cool.
Power
Description.
of Chads. It's on my
101 holders now. That's insane. 50 viewers. Okay, cool. All right, so we need the description. So we go back to the token on Pump Fund, which is over here, and we have a description.
Yeah.
Let's see, is this accurate? I kind of want to change that a little bit.
Yeah, you could update it if you want a little bit. Make it nice and professional.
Because we don't have Wizard anymore.
Oh my god, guys. Somehow the Charlie token, you guys pumped it like 10x.
Really?
Now I have like $65 worth of the token.
Can I find it on DexScreener?
Let's go. Okay, do I have more to pump? Maybe I could buy some more tokens.
Charlie, how do you find it? Char?
What are you talking about? The MOONBOYS spot. MOONBOYS token.
Oh, you said Charlie Bull.
Oh, my bad, because I have the Charlie image on my thing on my account. That's
You
fine.
got Charlie on the brain. Okay, let me just check out this description here.
Yeah, sick.
Oh,
Okay, let's
76% bonding curve. Nice, guys.
Yeah,
Man,
we
we're
just
actually going to do it today. That's crazy.
We were just at 80.
Okay, cool. The official community coin of the MOONBOYS podcast, a long-form crypto talk show where traders and degens break down markets, hidden gems, and the culture.
I put
shaping
in my
Web3.
15 doll hairs. Ooh, that's a lot of doll hairs. Let's go. 101 holders. That's right.
This seems okay. Okay, yeah, we can add our website.
Yeah, definitely get that going.
Fuck yeah, this is great. Confirm.
Don't you know?
I'll
We
go
graduate.
too.
I will go fly and hug everybody on stream.
Hell yeah.
I want to be like, this job that I have. Oh,
Yeah, just put in like $1,000 and then it can turn to like 50,000. You can retire. Not financial.
Or zero.
advice. Or zero, exactly.
Not financial advice.
don't be don't,
Okay,
don't be
that's the
again.
Telegram.
Push.
Keep hearing noises.
That's Rom max bidding in the background.
Next. Maybe it's the pump fund. Does it have a noise every time?
Hello, doggy.
Nice. We got the bull energy, Matt bull energy. Oh, there's the friendly doggy. Oh, so happy.
We gotta get full screen for the dog.
Full
Ashes
screen.
off.
Show us the dog again.
One sec.
Okay, it's fine. Alright, cool. TikTok.
We got everything.
Yo, this
100K.
token's old as fuck. It's gonna moon.
Moon it for the boys. That's right. That's we. You guys understand. We are the Moon Boys.
That's crazy.
Should
Okay,
call it
we're
moon.
looking good there. 82% bonding curve. Yeah, we can definitely do this. Additional
Let's
links.
go.
I think we're good.
I
Images.
think my pump fund stream literally crashed. Like my other screen is like done. I'm like we're streaming so much that I'm lagging.
There's the dog. What's the dog's name?
Oh, I'm on low bat.
Olive, yeah. Oh, that's so cute.
Yeah, she's mad.
That's crazy.
Right.
Man, I was on 5%. That's why my screen was lagging.
I haven't bought Solana in fucking ages, so I've just bought some, and I'm gonna now buy a bit. More.
Onboarding Matt.
I'll do my part, man.
Like wondering why the hell is my computer so slow? Theo, I now just remind me I have to plug in the power into my Mac because apparently
Okay.
without it, it's like
Plug in the
providing power to the yeah. I thought I had 100% charge and it's like it cooked me. We have 79 viewers on YouTube as well.
Hell yeah, growing.
So
That's
hey,
crazy
my
considering we're not
headset
even live on YouTube.
Pixel over here.
How we got
Sweet.
live viewers.
Yeah.
I don't even know. Maybe we are. No, I did. I pressed live. I think we're live on. Oh, maybe not on YouTube. I guess it's checking the views from Twitch and X probably.
Oh, someone found us on Twitch. Hey, my headset are
There we go.
broken by my cat, so it's not working at the moment. So can you type in chat, by the way, how are you?
Nice.
That's classic.
Sick. Guys, this is also crashing. We're getting so much stream. We're
His
getting.
heads, oh, so he can't even hear us, so he wants us to type to him. I don't know about that. Okay, cool.
Man, yeah, I had to like turn off some stuff because my my computer started like really slowing down.
Hmm.
I think it was like overheating. It's really hot over here in New York. Yeah, it is really hot on the computer because it's like 97 degrees I think outside, which is in Celsius. I think it's like 36.
It's hot.
Yeah.
In Celsius, that's hot. Right, receipt.
Yeah, 33, 34 feels like. It's crazy. I have my AC going and it's like even that. It's like probably best to put the pump on the screen here. Any more comments before I have maybe like another 4 minutes before I have to really get ready for work, but
No worries.
Tell-
The chat is holding me hostage all day, so
think
We're gonna be here for a
I'm
while.
done. Well, on the bright side, we are at 11.5K. 77%. Guys, we just need another quarter. We were pretty close to bonding. Really just another quarter. 77,
Well, the night is still young.
23%. Night is still young.
I'm about to inject some liquidity into the chart, so you wait. We'll get a big
There we
red
go.
candle now.
Yep. Theon, did you push it to the advertisement on DexScreener or
No, I'm
not
still
yet?
working on it. 1500 by 500.
Oh, nice. Oh shit. So hopefully,
Yeah, get
by
your
the time
positions in now, boys. We're taking off. The train is leaving the station.
Oh, man, where do we at? So let's see. We're bonding today, boys. Let's go. Tom had the most volume or maybe users over weekend.
It's
This
a live bonding stream.
Yeah.
volume back on chain. Let's discuss the market. Yeah, you could definitely rewatch the episode, and we're gonna have a YouTube of everything here. We'll redo the whole episode on YouTube, so you could rewatch a lot of the market analysis we did earlier. But if you have any questions,
we got here, I think.
yeah, maybe put Matt's face.
Yeah, put Matt in there.
Matt is more OG now. He's been. But basically, what I was gonna say, guys, if you have any questions about the market that you want to talk about, go ahead and put it in the Pump Fund comment section.
We're doing a live graphic design stream.
It's true.
There we go. I already had like $8 in there, but now I've got a bit more.
Oh.
Hell yeah.
He says this coin? Yeah.
What is that coin?
That's our coin.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's it.
Just collecting. Nice.
So we sending this to dollar or what?
Let's do it. Yeah, we're at 12.2K. That's nuts. It's up 400% in one day. That's so nuts. Okay, so I need a picture of Matt.
Not the one I look like a caveman in.
Where's a good pic of Matt?
You know, what this shows also is there really is not that much good quality content on Pump Funds. So,
well, it's bottom of the bear.
Bottom of the bear. That's true. That's true, guys. We are in the bottom of the bear.
Hell yeah, 30 cents unrealized gains.
Easy 500K.
Let's go. Mooning.
Fine. If we get to 500K, that would be awesome. That's like an American dream.
I kind of like this picture of Matt here. This is one of the better ones.
Yeah, it might be more accurate because I'll be cutting my hair soon. My girlfriend says I look like a hobo.
Guys, let's pray to the Pump Fund gods. Give like a 5-second prayer. Because they're kind of pushing this to a whole nother level right now.
It's crazy to think that that photo is like 3 or 4 years old now at this point.
During the good days, that genuine smile of a degen making $10,000 off fucking, I don't know, Dogecoin or some shit.
Clicking buttons.
Guys, we are rich.
I'll show you how to do graphic design. This is how you do it. Got some shoulders.
Are you gonna get AI to make me have shoulders?
Yeah. Okay, now we just
give this to shoulders.
Give him shoulders. Head and shoulders.
This is the power of Adobe Photoshop.
Boom.
Boom! GPT. Look at that. That's decent, actually.
You got different.
Let me see here.
Nice. Alright, guys. Well, I gotta run. It's the
okay, thank you, Ron.
Let's see if anybody had any other questions. What? We have Pump Fund TV over here. That's right. We do have Pump Fund TV. It's not just meme and shitcoins. It's quality content. Thank you. And Kapanga. That's his name. Yep. Thank you, Kapanga. Otis93 clipped out. Thought this was going to be a podcast about the trenches. It is. Again, we can't really just.
We're all in our own trenches, man.
Yeah, we're all in our own trenches. And if you have any coin you want us to look at, in particular, we could look at it for you. And we do have occasionally really cool alpha tokens. Now, with before I leave, I forgot. So with Charlie Bull, that's what I wanted to say. So we are making an update. We were pushing it into the VPS. We're currently testing it. So we're in that stage. We're trying to figure out why the Twitter API is hitting some authentication issues at the moment. They updated a lot of things, Elon Musk, with Twitter. But yeah, other than that, Charlie Bull is still going strong, and we're trying to get a timely update, at least by September.
Well, the Charlie head's in the audience.
Bro, fast. Damn, killed me. So I guess Theo, you're moving a little bit too slow for the chat.
That's okay.
But it's okay. Yeah, we have time. We'll do this. We're always here. We're here every weekend. Theo, Matt, good luck.
Thank you so much, Rom.
Thanks, Rom.
See you guys next time.
Have a good one. Hope you don't have to tell the boss to stick it.
Thank you, Matt.
Thanks. We're going to keep this going, or you're going to shut off the
I think I'm being held hostage by the chat, so I don't think I can ever end the stream now, but until we bond at least.
I can stick around a few more minutes if you want.
But yeah, it's going to take me a while to make this thumbnail. Let's see if ChatGPT can do it. I said balance the colors a bit. Okay, looks a little bit better. I don't mind that. What do you think?
Not bad, not bad.
Feeling good? Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
Can't see a moon though.
Back to Photoshop. And then go back over to here. And so we need 1500 by 500, which is not what it's at. But yeah, Matt, you got to hold down the show while I do the Lord's work here.
Yeah.
Tell us about the trenches. Tell us about PulseChain. Tell us about whatever's on your mind.
PulseChain on the mind. So yeah, there's a lot happening. We've had a lot of moves. We've seen everyone get pretty much rinsed, sick of the red candles, and the few survivors, the crazy nut jobs, have held strong, and we've had a nice green candle across the board. I mean, Hex has come out of nowhere and done like, what, 300% in a month or something like that, or it was at one stage if you measure the wick, so pretty crazy. And yeah, I'm looking forward to maybe being able to get my back on Ivan whenever get my back on like sort of. So Ivan was taking the piss as we were going down, and I'm just going to hopefully get my own back. So as we go up, I'll give him the same treatment.
Hell yeah. Okay, locked supply refers to the portion of cryptocurrency's total supply that is not available for trading or circulation. These tokens are often held in reserve for future use, such as development partnerships or team incentives, not to be confused with locked liquidity. Locked address. Provide an optional list of addresses with locked tokens. You don't need to include the following. Burn addresses. We check them automatically. Okay, so I have to go to Jupiter and I have to
Is that for the pump.fun thing?
Locked. Yeah, so there's like...
So what do you have to do?
I gotta find the address where I locked the tokens. It's like a vault. Jupiter vault.
Careful you don't show something you shouldn't do.
Yeah, you're probably right. Holdings. Jupiter DAO. Save. Camino. Jupiter. Interesting.
Can you not find the vault?
Not really, no. Lock. Token vesting and locking.
Jupiter lock.
Connect wallet. Wallet connected.
Put
Your
your
locked tokens.
Let me just go on. Put your seed phrase.
I think they're just locked to my address.
Recipient. Yeah, so that's the one. It's probably recipient wallet.
Yeah, I think you're right.
Lock creator is the same as recipient wallet, isn't it? Yeah, so it's the same one.
Yeah, I think we're good. Okay, cool. So I'll go back to here. Add address.
So yeah, if you do decide to venture down the crazy path, down to PulseChain on LibertySwap.finance, then you can collect the base starter pack, the Adventurer starter pack, which is basically just your 5 cores. Actually 6 now with ProveX, which are Pulse, PulseX, Hex, and eHex, and then Inc. And then now we've got ProveX, which is PRVX. And those are the core.
Do like USDC into Hex, but like how could you go the other direction?
So you can go back and forth. You just, depending on what's in your wallet and connected, you can just click that arrow in the center and it will flip it over.
No, but it's not working. This is like only for onboarding, I think.
There is a way. I'm just not sure if you're on the right place. And also PulseChain's got a load of integrations now with Railgun, and they bought ZKX wallet. Yeah. So now you've got private and so shielded and unshielded transactions just for added privacy. Just so, for example, you make a payment and you don't want your receiver to see your public address or whatever.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, there's various reasons why you'd want to shield a transaction. Well, with here you can.
Cool.
There you go. So you can with some pairs back and forth.
Oh yeah, I see that now. Okay, cool.
Yeah. So basically, this is a DEX made by LibertySwap, and it's also a bridge, but only for certain assets. So you can actually, if you're willing to swap from one token to another, you could swap around from here if you really wanted to. But the main reason for this is it's like a quick and cheap and easy way to onboard. So if you got USDC or ETH or Sol or anything, any major L1, you could basically come here and swap it directly for Pulse, any main core token, or any altcoin, or not necessarily any altcoin, but a lot of the major altcoins are within the ecosystem, like PDAI, PWBTC, DickWithButt. You can use those directly from the DEX.
I don't even have enough to do the protocol fee.
They do sponsor some of the transactions depending on if you're, for example, if it's a new user, I think they sponsor your initial gas fees. Like if it's your first time the wallet's interacted with the network.
Okay.
So you can make the most of those sort of things. No, but yeah, so there is a way to go back and forth if you need to, for whatever reason. You're not trapped on PulseChain.
Chat's holding me hostage.
Yeah, you're not being held hostage.
No, chat is, not you.
The chat. Oh.
Yeah. I'm not allowed to end the stream ever.
You're not allowed to end the stream? Well, the PulseChain's not quite like the chat. They're not as ruthless.
That's good. Okay, I'm going to have to play with this. I'll try to get some more Ethereum over to the PulseChain side.
Oh, yeah.
I'll get into DickWithButt and stuff like that.
Hell yeah. Dude, DickWithButt's had a nice couple weeks, man. We're sitting at triple-digit gains for a lot of things on the monthly. So
Hell yeah.
sitting pretty.
So, supply description. Okay, cool. Showing the lock creator and recipient wallet. Make sure the DexScreener locked address field wants the recipient owner wallet rather than the actual lock contract vault address before submitting.
Yeah, so the recipient owner is that one, which is the same as your wallet, isn't it?
Maybe. Let me see. No. Look, I think this is it. The GEX address right here.
Ah, well, copy paste the lock operator one.
Token lock. Okay, cool. I feel like I don't have chat up. Okay, chat's been talking this entire time. Let me go back.
Where can I get chat up so I can see that as well?
We're gonna read everything chat said. It's on the Pump Fund website.
Head in there. On my way.
Okay, so we're reading chat live on stream. I'm just gonna go full screen here. Okay, where are we at? 50 viewers growing, viewers going up, power chats community. I already read all this. 50 viewers, let's go up. I put in my $15 hairs. Hopefully we moon. Easy 500k, moon it for the boys. Top blasting for the dog. Every dip I blast. Let's go boys, moon it. Easy 500k, let's fucking go boys. We got the DEX and boost worked out. Sending. Let's discuss the market. Volume back on chain. Pump had the most volume or maybe users over weekend this weekend. We are bonding today, boys. Let's go. Much love. Easy 500k, let's fucking go. This will blast off after bond. WDev, everyone call it out. Good number of viewers right now. Dex bonds it. Some chads just cheat for cheeseburgers instead of looking at the whole idea. Dex and 500x at the same time? What? We have Pump Fun TV over here. Clipped out, thought this was going to be a podcast about the trenches. Bro fast, damn, killed me, bro fast. People are just getting Dex impatient. Jeets out, Chad in, let's fucking go. Jeets can Jeet, Chads know what's up. Go, 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 100% LFG. Oh my god, Matt Fury, this goes. Send it, y'all. Matt Fury's locking supply, man. Wow, crazy easy. 500k, 500x boost. We here for the moon. Y'all about to go viral. Yeah, once people see Matt Fury is on here, this candles to 1 million. Matt is our beautiful gem. Let's fucking go. Let's keep the momentum. Let's fucking go. Matt Fury on at 6k. Market cap is insane. He will get it, though. LOL, this goes. You're here for life now, sir. Everything filled, just pay and boost. Finish paying Dex Dev. We need more eyes. Once Dex hits, we're ripping. Go on, Matt Fury. So they think you're Matt Fury.
Yeah, I'm not Matt Fury.
This is Matt Smeed. Matt Smeed is tell us about yourself, Matt. You're an Ivan on Tech moderator.
Full-time retard.
Full-time retard.
Crypto degen since Pico top of 2017. Yeah. Celsius victim. And then Survivor.
MOONBOYS podcast host.
Yeah. OG MOONBOYS podcast host. I play in a band. Soon we will post more of that shit whenever it's properly released. Many friends on Twitter. Add me on X and become a friend. Not much more.
Okay, it says $448. Enhanced token info, boost token. So this is how you get the discount on the boost. It's because you're buying the enhanced token info. So together, those are 448 US doll hairs.
Bam. And we want to do that?
Yeah, they're trying to get you to pretend that you're Matt Fury so that the token rips.
Oh, yeah, nice.
I understand that all supplied data must be verifiable through official channels such as website and socials. I understand and accept that DexScreener reserves the right to reject or modify the provided information. By completing this purchase, I confirm that I've read and agree to the refund policy. Okay, cool. Thank you for your order. Sweet. Network, Solana. Okay, I'll do this part off screen.
Let's not release any sensitive info.
I wish I had some money in this token so I could actually benefit from what we're doing, but
That's true. And I have. But it's for the community.
Bucks.
It's for the community.
Okay, 448. Let's go crazy. There you go, guys. We fucking bonded. Or whatever. I don't know. Let's take a look at it. Where's the chart? Give me the chart. Okay, so we just paid the Dex. So now the thing's just gonna rip and we can all retire. So
It's all Lambos from here.
yeah, there you go. Enjoy, everybody. Thank you so much for walking me through how to boost the token. We're just going to watch it bond here. Any final thoughts before we wrap the show there, Matt?
I mean, hopefully, if you've survived this far, you've got the determination to stick at it for another couple months and hopefully at least see the start of reaping rewards and surviving what's to come. And hopefully you haven't been sort of suffering all bear market and thinking that it's always going to be like this, because there is sunlight at the end and the rain does stop. And yeah, but just remember that it's not all sunshines and rainbows. And when we're near the top, click sell.
Hell yeah. Thank you so much. Thanks, Matt. If you're watching on YouTube, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. We're here every Sunday at 12:35 Central Time. MOONBOYS podcast. Have a great weekend. Take care. Goodbye.
Bye-bye.